Some tips before you start presenting. Before we go to present, a day before that, you should always run a spell check of all the slides, be it just 2 slides, 5 slides, 10 slides, 50 slides. You should always check that there are no spelling errors, because that gives an unprofessional impression. You should always run the whole PowerPoint presentation on your laptop once and twice to check if the transitions and animations are working well. Even when you arrive for presentation and your audience is yet to come, you connect it to the laptop or to the projector through which you have to present it, and you need to also check it there if the transitions and animations are working well. If they are not, remove it then and there, right? You should always use good quality images. And as I've mentioned throughout this course, that whatever image, chart or anything that you are using from Google, downloading it for free, or taking it from any website, you should always mention the source so that you do not face any copyright issues. The next very important thing that many people falter with is to keep an extra copy of the file. Now, it has happened many times with me that when you go to present, you either lose a file, your pen drive doesn't work or something like that, and it has happened with many people. So it is always advised to keep an extra copy of that file. And how you can keep an extra copy? Either keep an extra pen drive, share it with yourself on your own mail ID, or share it with you on WhatsApp, share it with a friend on any other kind of platform like Telegram. So just have multiple copies of that particular file. So if something doesn't work in your laptop or your pen drive, you can try other means of presenting it, and you do not, stand still, right? Now, before your audience arrives, check if the sound and video are working well. Check that your mic is working well through which you will be speaking. And check if the sound of any kind of audio or video that you have, inserted in your presentation are working well or not. If they are not, kindly remove or kindly switch to another tab wherein you can just simply present the video as an individual thing and not as a part of your presentation. I know that is not a solution, but that is the last minute thing you can do to save your good luck.